Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Kajabi account. All right. So first up, before deleting your Kajabi account, ask this question to yourself. Okay. Do you want to cancel all your subscriptions and then just leave your account? Or do you need to delete all of your data from this platform, right? Or in other words, delete your account completely. Okay. So if you just want to cancel your subscriptions, you can go ahead and check a separate video on our channel. Go ahead and look for how to cancel a Kajabi subscription. And once you're done, you're good to go. If you want to delete all of your data or completely delete your Kajabi account, well, you'll have to go to the Kajabi data rights request form, right here. Don't worry, this link is safe, all right? This one is actually from Kajabi or the Kajabi article right here. It says here, if you need to permanently delete your Kajabi account, you can do so by submitting a data rights request. All right. This process ensures your data is securely and thoroughly removed in accordance with privacy laws and our policies. So again, just click on this link. Then all you need to do is just fill in this form. Select your country. I would like to delete my data. Then first name, last name, email right here, and what's your relationship with Kajabi. Okay. And then just add in details about your concern right here and just hit on submit. And it says here, once you've filled out the form and then clicked on the submit button, an email requiring you to verify your email will be sent. Okay. So whatever email address is tied to your Kajabi account, go ahead and check it out and just click on the verify button. And once it's verified, you will then receive a confirmation email informing you that your data request is in progress. And you will receive an email notifying you when your deletion request is completed. Normally, your deletion request will be completed within privacy regulation timelines, 30 days. Okay? Deletion is permanent. Once your account is deleted, all associated data, including content, customer information, and so on and so forth, will be permanently removed. Active subscriptions right here. If you have active ones, ensure it is canceled before submitting a deletion request. And any outstanding balances or obligations should also be resolved. That is it. Just to fill in the form, hit on submit, wait for emails, and after that, you're good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.